Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Car Future. My name is Harry, and today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting and most hyped topics in the EV industry, the electric car that charges in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 5 minutes. It sounds unbelievable, but many big companies are working on this technology. And today we will explore whether this is the truth or just hype. Stay with me to the end of the video because I'll explain everything step by step, from how this works to which cars are using it, what challenges are there, and what the future looks like. The idea of a car that can charge in only 5 minutes is like a dream for every EV owner. Imagine driving to a charging station, and in the time it takes to grab a cup of coffee, your car is fully charged and ready to go. Companies like Stordot from Israel, CATL from China, and even Tesla are researching and testing batteries that can handle such extreme fast charging. Instead of traditional lithium-ion batteries, these new batteries use silicon-based anodes, nanotechnology, and advanced electrolytes that allow ions to move faster. This means batteries can accept much higher current without overheating. Combine that with advanced cooling systems and high-voltage chargers, and suddenly the dream of 5-minute charging doesn't seem so far away. There are already some real-world examples that prove this is possible. Stordot has demonstrated prototype cells that can charge fully in just 10 minutes, and they are aiming for 5 minutes in the next few years. CATL has announced their Shengsing Superfast battery that can give you 400 kilometers of range with just 10 minutes of charging. Porsche Taycan and Hyundai Ioniq 6 already come close to this with their 800 volts charging architecture, giving you a 0 to 80% charge in about 15 to 20 minutes. So we are already very close to the magic number. Now, let us talk about the kind of cars that are actually benefiting from this ultra-fast charging technology. Models like the Porsche Taycan, Kia EV6, Hyundai Ioniq 5 and 6, and Lucid-Air are already showing us what is possible. These cars can add hundreds of miles of range in under 20 minutes. And upcoming brands like Geely, Buick, and Neo are working on pushing this even further with 500 kilowatt plus charging systems. Of course, there are still challenges. The biggest issue is infrastructure. Most charging stations today are not capable of delivering the kind of power required for 5-minute charging. Even if the car can handle it, the charging network needs to catch up. Another problem is grid capacity. If millions of cars start charging at extreme speeds, electricity grids will face enormous stress. Battery degradation is another concern, because charging so fast can reduce battery lifespan, although new chemistries are being designed to reduce this problem. And finally, cost. These advanced batteries and chargers are expensive and will make early cars quite costly, but the benefits are huge. Imagine never worrying about range anxiety again, because you know you can stop for 5 minutes and be ready to drive hundreds of kilometers. Families can plan long road trips without waiting for long charging breaks. Taxi fleets and delivery companies will save hours of downtime, and overall, the EV market will grow even faster because this solves one of the biggest complaints people have about electric cars. Looking at the future, it is clear that by 2026 or 2027, we will start seeing the first production EVs that can charge in 5 to 7 minutes. By 2030, ultra-fast charging will become common in premium EVs, and maybe even in affordable ones. Governments and companies are already investing in megawatt charging networks that can support this. So, is this truth or hype? The answer is both. Right now, full 5-minute charging is not available for consumers, but prototypes and demonstrations prove it is possible. In the real world, we are already enjoying 10 to 15-minute ultra-fast charging with some cars. That means the hype is drive and excitement. But the truth is, We are very close to making it reality. Soto concluded the electric car that charges in 5 minutes is not science fiction anymore. It is on the way, and in the next few years we will see it hit the market. It could completely change the way we use cars, and could make EVs as convenient as petrol or diesel vehicles. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Future for more deep reviews, car launches, and future EV technology. My name is Harry, and I'll see you in the next video.